Friday, 19 February 2021. Experience telecommunication and contact warning. Peter. Testimony. Suspect to human commanding Gusum Grave by local and their unknown identity. 666 Mongol Scarf remaining still one confirm on this moment lady. Six Mongol Scarf remaining conference on this day, calendar 9th February 2021. With basic about phenomena supernatural, crazy peoples and unknown peoples in same time, the conspiration or similar, the contact and telecommunication of them still happening on ordinary of 666 one called Scarf family. 666 one called Scarf family contact appointment alien family lady on this moment this conference. Phenomena supernatural situation is really happening on social on this lady. Contact already give for internet ID 666 one for the Scarf remaining. About Alive International to alien farming for proving existence of supernatural phenomena is really happening among social on this millennium. Alien farming contact by friendly human on internet global. We also about 666 one for the Scarf family and same time. And finally on decision for made agreement with 666 one for the Scarf family. Well, for a number in people complete by patent license 666 one for the Scarf family. On this millennium, we status also as pioneer of case phenomena supernatural, claim suspect the human activity commanding goods from grave by local countries and also following about religious conspiration on this day. God millennium. And finally contact about status 666 one for the Scarf family, definitive particular and also declarator for alien final proclamation existence of safe national millennium. Country mine logo 666 alien family ownership with agreement to 666 one for the Scarf family on millennium. 2008 until this year 2021 still going on. In context also alien family international actually connection of countries since years before 666 one for the Scarf family and are capable for made speech declare on this moment millennium. But also appointment status self-committee realization self-official sponsor to 666 one for the Scarf family. From United States of America also about the alien date name of alien family on the United States of America. Contact on this moment recording protocol by 666 one for the Scarf family. About money logo 666, patent license 666 one for discount free. Actually already approved, signed by alien family to the United States of America. It also about names, so alien Irwan Cornell, a newcomers on this day, stands owner of the 3666, protected by alien family around the world, countries. It also alien family names and others on this moment millennium. Friendship with alien Irwan Cornell, owner of the 3666 Centurion. Context alien family international made appointment for title 666 and conversation already happening with friendship human through countries since years before 666 on the scale framing. And already season was started existence in my logo 666 protected also to alien family ownerships, assets and other in same time. Think also about my logo $, America, as alien family contact appointment conversion to my logo 666 or millennium. Code feature called millennium. Conversation already begin between alien family with United States of America. Context since years before 666 one for the scale primary and one that completes on this moment 2021. About 666 one for the scale primary as the true 666 Centurion already arrived on this millennium. About patent licensing my logo 666, the true 666 alien family ownership in the world. Code is millennium to 666 one for the scale primary. Alien family on a pilot project for Confession International about that. With agreement or self-decision also for momentum proclamation to United States, America or $, America as equal with my logo 666 on feature for the Confession International among countries as meaning 1.666 my logo is equal to $1 America. Context saying alien family made the decision with contact also for precondition to chocolate on this moment recording. By 666 one for discovery. Purchasing experience telecommunication and contact body supernatural for following the appointment and project contact alien on international on this millennium. By reform my logo 666 context saying alien family declare sustainable through internet RU 666 one for discount framing. Alien family actually connection of international and want to make decision for first beginning launching the existence of my logo 666 to confession dollar américain. As meaning 1 point my logo 666 is equal to $1 American for 1 point or so. Contact Ellen Farm International. Say actually declaration of existence in national money logo 666 Ellen Farm Outfit. Already begin since particular Internet ID 666 on this conference. With waiting realization project committee Ellen Family by next Ellen Family International roles the connection countries. Ellen also about United States America, for meaning also Ellen Family domicile address on United States America. So Ellen T, so Ellen Moginijo, it could also name so Ellen Ivan Cornell. Newcomers, owner of the 2666, or contact Ellen Family again for next after this moment recording protocol. Contact Ellen Family International made decision for that track condition. Ellen Family won't declare status existence as a national money logo on this millennium. Context Alien Tech United States of America and also Alien Family and other names on this moment experience telecommunication and contemporary happening. 666 welcome to this company definitive partnership Alien Family or meaning also appointment because a refund number go vivo already agreeing to 666 welcome to this company on this millennium code human commanding goes to grave mark of the beast. Context Alien Family International definitive arm particular first beginning Precondition Presidents Committee Promoter ID 666 welcome to this company. Ellen Farm International on Conflation International Safe Money logo by this momentum millennium pioneering by 666 welcome to this company. For attribute royalty Ellen Farm ownership assets attribute Centurion Ellen Farm existence also and also about nationality Ellen Family to Internet also Internet or national to Ellen Family as mean Ellen Family want money for that and continue existence as a self nation on appointment meet with human. Ellen Family declared exists as a money logo and agree with 666 welcome to this company. The 2666 with explanation also about struggling case phenomena supernatural called millennium for human commanding goes to grave. Ellen Farm International contact by 666 welcome to this company on this moment millennium for following project appointment and also about progress case in same time. Supernatural phenomena experienced by people's telecommunication and contact boy going on. 666 welcome to this company. Definitive status victim premier on this millennium by the terms among social and contextual also definitive on reward or regain for payback on a bank account named Irwan Cornell. As nominal contact next by government, and contact also saying about Indonesian police also as authority or agreement with name Irwan Cornell for reward or money to name Irwan Cornell. 6661 Gunung Skafri hearing case phenomena supernatural claim suspect human and already definitive experienced by peoples on this moment millennium. Since 2008 until this year 2021, very famous, popular through internet, global, social media, and also commitment alibi on social, local countries, such as also Indonesia and also ASEAN countries, such as also Thailand, Bangkok, and also Japan, and another also United States of America, and Malaysia also, and Singapore also. Context here, these Mormon experienced peoples not adopting anymore for the alibi and just need continued commitment for that. We basic also sustain from friends, contact recording, internet ID 6661 for discovery on social media on this day. 6661 for discovery definitive pioneer of case since 2008, and our reward still waiting realization by public. And context also government through countries already contacting each other about reward or gain payment to a bank account named Irwan Cornell, because basically status victim and also pioneer and also big good case and about ordinary job of name Irwan Cornell definitely being sabotaged by unknown peoples. Definitive proof, definitive truly happening, non-fake on this Mormon investigation case. Experience telecommunication and contact body phenomena supernatural with IB local peoples also for contacting on this day. 6661 for discovery definitive true statement on internet global, non-fake internet ID claim suspect activity human commanding ghost from grave. Case phenomena supernatural with name victim premier to 6661 for discovery pure 6661 for discovery also about another case falling with black gold situation phenomena supernatural in this Mormon millennium. Can be found through internet global social media such as also Facebook, and then also another such as also Google and YouTube also, and another. You can also about WordPress and Blogspot for link free website, literature or statement word by 6661 for discovery. ID on internet 666 ICDM. Contact on this Mormon recording. But also Allen family definitive status alibi for the situation. Contact by United States America and also Europa and Zone Arabic Israel. Equals of Asia countries. Suspect activity phenomena supernatural to human commanding goods from grave local countries, also domicile country and visa. Definitive being agreed by peoples on international, because basic about experience telecommunication and contact body or going on definitive proving suspect to human non-alien. 6661 for discovery contact on this Mormon millennium About declaration, continue, conclusion. Appointment nominee co-people, co-millennium to Ellen Family. Ellen Family already approved by Connection Internet Global about refund or claim Internet ID 6661 Connect Car Premium. Declaration for existence Ellen Family Safe National Money logo already begin through this moment progress case phenomena supernatural co-millennium by particular very famous on Internet Global ID 666 ICDF 6661 underscore framing for conference also about Ellen Family interest for self-decision and self-published by particular and next confirm Internet ID 6661 underscore framing about existence my logo 666 already began for precondition declaration to this moment regress case phenomenon supernatural by pioneering Internet ID 6661 underscore framing. International on appointment new commerce money logo symbol money to 666 the 3666 century Ellen Family ownership with basic patent licensee original 666 to 6661 for discount framing. Thank you very much international million countries. Ellen Family contact also to United States America and Union Europa and also Zone Arabic Israel. Ellen Family International definitive approved by People's International on this millennium. Ellen Family International definitive exists and are capable for self-committed for ownership project and appointment. We support also by international and also United Nations. Contact on this last second say about also United Nations for contact Internet ID 6661 for discount framing. 6661 for discount framing definitive choose Ellen Family International as authority and contact next for appointment or proving the original 6661 for discount framing as the true 666 century to century as appointment 666 nominee code people Ellen Family code millennium code human commanding goes from grave code national Ethereum galaxies code Ethernet or digital money also and about Ellen Family status owner to Internet 6661 for discount framing. Thank you very much again. The sixth day God was created human as similar to the Trinity of Christianity. As creation to suspect human commanding goes from grave definitive statement to experience telecommunication and contact body peoples on this millennium. About their status as similar with God on Holy Book or religions because they are saying honor of the supernatural human commanding goes from grave local costumes ethnic by them. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet.